Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have this foundation we want to try. This foundation is from Maybelline. It's from Maybelline and it's called Dream Urban Cover. And you have a full coverage. My shade is 336 golden bronze, anti-pollution, and you also have SPF 50. Now I'm just gonna prime my face with F. So I'm just gonna put a bit here because I've already creamed my hand. I don't want my hand cream to go on my face because it will just cause me a breakout. I have a very problematic skin. So as you can see, you see my bare face now, guys. So let's prime it. For now, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. You can hear it. So I'm just gonna do this. A bit liquidy. Oh, okay. It's not that thick. All right. So let's just start blending. Oh, what are you doing here? Move out. What do you think of the coverage, guys? The coverage is not bad. Guys, you can still see all my spots. So I think I'm gonna apply a bit more, but this time I am going to use my blending sponge. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my hand. I'll use my hand this time instead of, and just put it here. With sponge you get more coverage, if that makes sense. It's beautiful. It's not hard to blend. Just I want more. Maybe I'll just apply a tiny little bit. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Feel nice on your skin as well. Just feel so light. I'm not gonna apply anymore, guys. I think it's okay. I'll use this one for my under eye. It's also Maybelline and my shade is 40. You must have seen this on my video and stuff. It's running low. Shade 25, which is super, light. When I really want my under eye to be, I do intend to use this one as well. So let's just lighten this area up a bit. Not too much at this point. Here, the one I'm using is L'Oreal to contour. Everybody shake it, baby. use the big sister to set the whole face. So I'll use the sponge I have been using so far. Revolution powder, face powder. That is the whole face set. Now, as you can see, all matte. For bronzer, I might as well use this to bronze. Oh, Jesus. I think I went too heavy. At least it's showing. It's not bad. Bronzer. Give me that. Okay guys, so I will see you later once I have, you know, done the rest of my face. I'll see you after. Now the final look, like I said before, I am gonna go off camera and do the rest of my face. All right, so I was doing a tutorial. Do you like the look I put together on this? However, this video, whether this video of this eyeshadow look is gonna come out before this foundation review, I'm not sure. But however, just find a way to watch both videos separately, guys. So it was 10 to 2 when I put this foundation on, so it's now exactly 2:30. So I'll be busy, you know, doing tutorials. So 2:30 now, the time. Come back here tonight and check with you guys how this foundation is holding on. All right guys, see you later. Now officially back. It's now 11 p.m. at night. You see the time? So we had this foundation on since 1:45, 10 to 2 this afternoon. So as you can see, this is now after 6-7 hours worth of foundations. I know I have touched this place because I was a bit itchy. I touched this area, so some of the foundation is missing around here and there. That was me. I have a crease here, which all foundation do. You know, when it gets to, you know, some certain time, how long you'll be wearing the foundation, you intend to crease a lot. But I must say, if you look at side of my nose, I have not creased a lot. There is a bit of oil on my forehead, zero touch up here, tiny little bit of crease, not much, and here as well. And this is my face. Let me just, you know, zoom you in. This is my face after 7 hours of wearing this foundation. Yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. So good night, guys. I hope you all have a good night. Bye bye. I'll see you on my next video.